Hello friends, welcome to the 8th question. So let us start. A solid cuboid measures 20 centimeters by 12 centimeters by 5 centimeters. What is the volume of the cuboid? V is equal to LBH. So 20 into 12 into 15 in centimeter cube, which is nothing but 20 into 12 is 240, 240 into 15, 20 into 12 into 5, sorry. So 20 into 60, which is 1200 centimeter cube. Now calculate the total surface area. So the total surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So this is equal to 2 into 20 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 20 into 5. So this is 2 into 20 into 12 is 240, 12 into 5 is 60, and 20 into 5 is 100. So this is 2 into 400, which is equal to 800 in centimeter square, because it is an area. So the answer for the second bit is 800 centimeter square. Now let us come to the B part. The surface area of the cuboid is painted. The cost of the paint used is $1.52. Find the cost to paint 1 centimeter square of the cuboid. Give your answer in cents. So the area is 800 centimeter square and the cost is 152 cents. So cost per centimeter square is equal to the total area divided by the cost. Cost per centimeter square is the total cost divided by the area, which is equal to 0.19, because if 8 goes in 152 19 times, so 19 by 100, 0.19, and so the cost per area is 0.19 cents. This completes part A. Now let us come to part B. A solid metal cylinder with radius x and height 9x by 2 is melted. Find all the metal is used to make a sphere of radius r. Find r in terms of x. So the volume of cylinder will be equal to the volume of sphere, and the volume of the cylinder is pi into r square, so x square into h, which is 9x by 2, is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. And so from here, find r in terms of x. So pi and pi will get cancelled. 9 by 2 x cube is equal to 4r cube. So r cube is equal to 4 by 3. So I am taking 4 by 3 to the other side. It will become 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into 9 by 2 into x cube. So therefore, which is equal to r would be equal to 3 into 9 is 3 cube by 4 into 2 is 2 cube, 3 by 2 into x. So the answer r is equal to 3 by 2 into x. This completes this part. Okay, so let us go to part C. Now this is part C. The diagram shows a cylinder of length 150 centimeters on a horizontal ground. The cylinder has radius 20 centimeters. The cylinder contains water to a depth of 5 centimeters as shown in the diagram. Calculate the volume of the cylinder in the water in the cylinder. So if you can see, actually here the shape is constant throughout the length. So it is the prism. So the volume of water is given by volume of the prism, and so this is area, cross section area into length. So first we need to calculate this cross section area. Okay, so let us draw the figure here. So this is 20 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters, and so this will be 15 centimeters. Okay, so let this be A, B and C. Now let this be D. So this is rectangle triangle. So in triangle ABD, if this is, so I know the hypotenuse and I know the adjacent side. So cos BAD is equal to the adjacent side by hypotenuse, and so this is 15 by 20, which is 3 by 4. So therefore cos of angle BAD will be equal to 3 by 4. So therefore angle BAD is cos inverse 3 by 4. Now coming forward, so since triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC, angle DAC will also be equal to cos inverse 3 by 4. So therefore angle BAC will be equal to 2 into cos inverse 3 by 4. And if I calculate the value, 2 into cos inverse 3 by 4 is 82.819244 and so on. So we can take 82.82. Okay, now I calculated the angle. So first of all, I need to calculate the area of, so if this is E. So what I would say is area of cross section BDCE is equal to the area of sector ABEC minus area of triangle BAC. Okay, so if I take this entire area and then subtract this area, then I would get this area, which is the area of the cross section. So let us first find out. Now first let us find out the area of the triangle. So area of triangle BAC is equal to half into AB into AC into sine angle BAC. This is equal to half into 20 square into sine of 82.82 in the value. So this value is 82.82 degrees. Okay, if I cut it to 2 decimal points. Now what is the area of this triangle? Half into 20 square into sine 82.82. If you calculate the value, it will turn out to be 181.52497564 and so on. Okay, so this is the area of the triangle. Now I want the area of the sector. So area of sector ABEC is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So this is equal to 82.82 divided by 360 into pi into r square 20 square, and if I calculate the value, this value will turn out to be 289.0928466642 and so on. So therefore area of cross section is equal to 289.0928466642 minus 181.52497564 and so on, and this will come out to be 90.6616048742 and so on. Okay, so this is the area of cross section. Now I know the area of cross section and I also know the length. So here the cylinder contains water to a depth at the cylinder length is 150 centimeters. So I know the area of cross section, I can calculate the volume. So what can I say? The length is 150 centimeters, and so therefore volume would be equal to A into L, which is 90.6616048742 into 150. You need not do all this. In the exam, you can cut it at 2 points and take those values. It will still be okay, right? So the answer would be equal to, it is in centimeter cube, so I want it in liters. So this is equal to 90.66 into 150 divided by 1000 liters. So if I want it in liters, I need to divide it by 1000, and this value will turn out to be 13.59 liters. 13.59 liters. That is the final answer. Okay. So this completes the question. So you should recognize in this question, the most important thing is you should recognize that it is a prism, and that you should calculate the area of this cross section. And once you calculate it, you just multiply it with the length to get the volume. That's it. So let us meet in another video. Until then, all the best. Thank you.